25 sentences using the verb a get that can be helpful in everyday communication. Video 6 of 100 with the most frequently used verbs.
Where can I get a cup of coffee?
I need to get some groceries.
Did you get my message?
Let's get together this weekend.
Can you get me a glass of water?
What time do you get up in the morning?
She got a promotion at work. How do I get to the nearest subway station?
I hope you get well soon.
He got a new car last week.
Did you get your homework done?
Let's get started on the project.
Can you help me get this box down?
Where did you get that jacket? I need to get my hair cut. He got lost on his way here.
Can we get a table for two?
Did you get a chance to read the email?
Let's get moving, we're running late.
She got tickets to the concert.
I got caught in traffic.
How can I get in touch with you?
I need to get some rest. He got really excited about the trip.
What did you get for your birthday?